In this video tutorial, I will be explaining you how to get started with node.js and build your first application. Let's get started with some background. Node.js was created by Randall in 2009. Node.js runs on Chrome's V8 engine. V8 is a Google's open source high performance JavaScript engine written in C++ and is used in Google Chrome. Google Chrome is the open source browser from Google. The Node.js latest version is version 5.9.0 and which is stable. It's open source and runs well on Linux systems as well as Windows system. So what is Node.js? Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine, and Node.js uses an event-driven, non-blocking input-output model that makes it lightweight and efficient. Node.js package ecosystem consists of NPM, which is the largest ecosystem of open source libraries in the world. In simple words, Node.js server is a server-side JavaScript. It's command line tool. In Node.js, .js doesn't mean it's fully written in JavaScript. It is 40% JavaScript and 60% C++. So some of the features of Node.js are: the first feature is asynchronous and event driven. All the APIs of Node.js libraries are asynchronous, that is non-blocking, and it essentially means Node.js based servers never waits for an API to return data. The server moves to the next API after calling it, and a notification mechanism of events of Node.js helps the server to get a response from the previous API calls. It is very fast. Being built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine, Node.js libraries is very fast in code execution. It is single-threaded but highly scalable. Node.js uses a single-threaded model with event looping mechanism. Event mechanism helps the server to respond in a non-blocking way and makes the server highly scalable as opposed to traditional servers, which create limited number of threads to handle the request. Node.js uses a single-threaded program, and the same program can provide service to a much larger number of requests than traditional servers like Apache HTTP server. There is no buffering in Node.js. These applications simply output the data in chunks, and Node.js is released under MIT license. Node.js goal is to provide an easy way to build scalable network programs. JavaScript is used in client side. Node.js puts the JavaScript on server side, thus making communication between client and server happen in the same language. And it communicates via JSON object. JavaScript is the most popular programming language and helps using the Node.js even more easier to use. These are some of the parts of Node.js. It may include modules, debugger, streaming, DNS, domain, global, net, error handling, crypto techniques, callbacks, buffer, add-ons, clusters, etc. This all comes under the tree of Node.js. So where to use Node.js? It may be used in input-output bound applications, data streaming applications, data-intensive real-time applications which are called as DIRT, or JSON API based applications, and also single web page applications. So when not to use Node.js? When you are doing heavy and CPU intensive calculations on server side, because event loops are CPU hungry. Node can't run on GUI but run on terminal. Everything is asynchronous by default. This means you are likely to end up using tons of nested callbacks. Node.js is a single threaded. You can take advantage of multiple CPUs, but in general everything is designed to use event loop in order to achieve extraordinary performance. So who is using Node.js in production? It may be Yahoo, LinkedIn, eBay, or Dow Jones. Yahoo uses Node.js in iPad app called as LiveStand. LinkedIn also uses Node.js, and MongoDB in its mobile platform. iOS and Android apps are also based on it. eBay uses Node.js along with QL.io to help application developers in improving eBay's and end user experience. Others include Mozilla, Pinterest, HP, CBS, Walmart, Netflix, New York Times, PayPal, Uber. So hence conclusion. Node.js is faster than Apache, but it is more hungry system CPU and memory. Node.js uses event-based programming, and hence it makes the server doesn't wait for the input-output operation to complete, while it can handle other requests at the same time. These are some of the references which I have used to create these video tutorial sessions.